Hello everyone, my name is Nika Eccles. I'm a network manager here in Shreveport, Louisiana over Prim Technicians, and I'm here along with some of my peers.
Hello, I'm Jennifer Alexander, network manager here in Shreveport also over the core technicians.
And I'm Dennis Smith. I'm a network manager here in Shreveport, Louisiana over the Prim Technicians as well.
We wanted to take a little bit of time to share with you some steps that we've taken during this very critical time for all of us. We were able to utilize the recipe that was sent to us in email by our director, Kathy Balkin, which is also now currently located on the playbook, COVID-19 playbook. And it was a very simple recipe for us to follow. Some of the ingredients that we purchased to do this project included our PPE first, which of course were the splash-proof goggles, latex gloves, and because we didn't have any aprons on site, we were able to utilize our Tyvek suits because we already had those on hand. We also went to the Dollar Tree, a local store here in town. We purchased bottles, 3 for $1. We purchased a bowl, a mixing cup, a funnel, and the most important tool of all was this whisk, believe it or not. And we also were able to get rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, and also lemongrass essential oil that we added to the mix. It took us about 30 minutes, and what we were able to do was combine these ingredients together. We funneled them into these very small bottles. We were also able to utilize these pre-printed labels, which were very helpful for us, that we just simply used packing tape to attach to these bottles. And once we were done, after that 30 minutes was up, we were able to distribute these to our technicians in the field. We recognized the need for sanitizer. There was a lack thereof for some period of time, and each one of us had an opportunity to distribute these. The reaction that I got from my technicians was they were so thankful that they were easily able to put in their pocket while they were working, as opposed to carrying around one of these big bottles, which we didn't even have enough to give everyone. Jennifer, would you like to share your technicians' reactions?
They also said that it had a very good smell with our lemongrass, and it also is a multi-purpose for mosquitoes. Dennis?
And with my technicians, believe it or not, they couldn't even believe that we were taking the time in the midst of everything that was going on to actually get this done for them. They were very appreciative of it.
And because we were able to distribute these to the technicians that were on site, we did have a few that utilized the excuse time that was available to them. So the few extra bottles that we did make and assemble, we would like to donate to a local group here called Christian Services, which is a volunteer group that we support during the holiday season, where we volunteer our time to serve food and clothing to the homeless. And I'm sure that they too would have a need in the same community for these extra bottles that we provided. So we hope that this was helpful to you all. And we just wanted everyone to know that we're all in this together. We hope this was helpful. Thank you.
To learn more about AT&T and our response to the coronavirus, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos on the playlist seen here.